Gas manufacturing is an essential part of Kuwait National Petroleum Company's model. The Fifth Liquefied Gas Line is one of the KNPC's largest projects in terms of importance and productivity. It is the construction of the new line at Mina Al-Ahmadi Refinery to process and manufacture natural gas produced from the KOC fields. The national oil sector plays a vital and key role in supporting the state of economy in achieving the vision of New Kuwait 2035. The total cost of this project amounted to about 428 million Kuwaiti dinars. The project departed at KNPC supervised the project from start to finish.
Project department's role is supervising the project from A to Z, starting from preparing the initial drawings and design documents in the FEED stage, prepared by the consultant, then going through the tendering cycle and then signing an agreement and the contract with a qualified contractor.
The new line is located south of Mina Al-Ahmadi Refinery, next to the fourth gas line. The company has 4 gas liquefaction lines at the refinery, with the total production capacity of 2,320 million standard cubic feet of gas and 226,000 barrels of condensate and liquefied gas. The fifth LNG line adds 805 million standard cubic feet of gas per day to make the total of production capacity of the gas plant of 3,125 million standard cubic feet of gas per day and adds 106,000 barrels of condensate and liquefied gas to a total production capacity of 332,000 barrels per day, an increase of almost 30%.
We begin then by the detailed engineering, wherein the contractor develops the initial drawings to a level where he can start the procurement cycle according to the procurement list of the company. At the same time, the site is being prepared by the excavation and the foundations until all the equipment arrive at site. to begin the construction cycle gradually.
What is the future of Kuwait? It's an expertly designed airport, offering a world-class travel experience. The expansion of our healthcare sector, increasing access to high-quality facilities and services. And an infrastructure that transports people and products at a greater speed. The future. It's using new technologies in construction and intelligent roadway design to build smarter, more efficient cities that support a strong private sector and meet the demands of our growing population. We're building for the future. The future of Kuwait starts with you.
Products of the company's line include propane, butane, methane, ethane, and natural gasoline (KNG) gases. The project meets Kuwait's clean fuel need and contributes to reducing gas imports. LPG and LNG are the major sources of large-scale clean energy due to its limited environmental impacts because it is sulfur-free and less harmful emission to ozone. The opening of the new LNG line demonstrates that the project is of great importance as it is linked to the main objective of KAPC 2040 strategy to optimize the use of the country's hydrocarbon resources.
And after we construct every equipment, especially when we're talking about welding pipelines, every welding joint goes through a testing operation to make sure that all the weld joints are as per safety and quality. And after we finish all construction activities, we begin the pre-commissioning activities where we make sure that all equipments are ready to start the commissioning and with the presence of the vendors themselves. And after when our colleagues in operations begin the commissioning and after the product is being produced, project department's role is still there and we are still available to solve any problem our colleagues face in operating the unit.
The expansion and exploration of processing of associated and non-associated natural gas for crude oil and the production of high-profit oil derivatives meet the requirements of global markets. The liquefied gas plant in Mina Al-Ahmadi Refinery with its 5 lines meets the need of the local market for liquefied petroleum gas and contributes to provide the Ministry of Electricity and Water with its fuels needs used to generate electricity and its main provider for local manufacturing industries. The LNG project plant exports high-quality petroleum products in international markets, represents in the form of propane and butane, which achieves a higher profit return for the company's products and makes Mina Al-Ahmadi Refinery the beating heart of gas in the country. At the stage of construction of project, the ALE crane, one of the largest cranes in the world, was used to install huge towers, each weighing more than 10,000 tons.
Of course, for such a mega project like this, there are naturally many challenges that we face. Starting from the procurement cycle, because the contractor was dealing with more than 200 vendors, we're talking about equipment and many things that are ranging from a bolt to a tower that weighs more than 1,000 tons. So it was our job to make sure that the vendors are adhering to the schedule and as per the quality standards before shipping the equipment to site.
What is the future of healthcare in Kuwait? It's satisfied patients, healthy citizens, and thriving communities. The future. It's a modern national healthcare system with world-class hospitals and research centers, highly trained doctors and medical staff, and faster emergency response times. With a renewed focus on health education and prevention to reduce rates of illness and disease, to live longer, fuller lives, and to build a vibrant, nurturing nation for all our citizens. To learn more, visit newkuwait.gov.kw.
National cadres, teams on Mina Al-Ahmadi Refinery, the project sector, support departments and implementing companies worked as one harmonious team to complete the project. The number of workers who participated in the implementation of the various stages of the project was close to 7,000 workers, and the company succeeded in providing the highest standards of security and safety for the large number of workers, as the number of working hours reached about 58 million working hours without recording any accidents. 3.667 million meters of pipes, 37,000 cubic meters of concrete were poured as a basis for equipment and pipe carriers. About 14,000 tons of iron were used in pipe and equipment manufacturing processes, and more than 2 million meters of cables for electrical equipments, control systems, precision machinery, while the project includes about 600 equipment, a total weight of nearly 2,000 tons.
What is the future of Kuwait? It's an expertly designed airport, offering a world-class travel experience. The expansion of our healthcare sector, increasing access to high-quality facilities and services. And an infrastructure that transports people and products at a greater speed. The future. It's using new technologies in construction and intelligent roadway design to build smarter, more efficient cities that support a strong private sector and meet the demands of our growing population. We're building for the future. The future of Kuwait starts with you.
The company's success in implementing and operating a project of this size was not without facing many challenges and difficulties, the most important of which was the completion of the process of linking natural gas lines coming from Kuwait Oil Company and the new gas line without affecting the safety of operation and the continuation of the production process.
Also the tie-in operation, because we had hundreds of tie-ins, mechanical, electronic, and electrical, from the new project to the existing units. And the more critical ones were the mechanical tie-ins, because we're talking about 150 tie-in operation from a new pipeline to an existing pipeline. And some of them were done while the existing pipeline was live. So there are a lot of safety procedures to be done before we execute the job through a technique called hot tapping. So this was a very critical job to be done as per the safety standard.
The COVID-19 pandemic was a major obstacle during the project implementation, as the government had to take the action to curb the spread of the virus, and this affected all industries in Kuwait. The operation of the project was successful despite the delay of the arrival of some equipment suppliers to participate in the operation, in addition to the fact that others had to work remotely due to COVID-19 pandemic and the resulting procedures, as it was difficult to provide specialized technicians from the local market due to the special nature of the project.
Also, the period where we went through COVID, because our job was to facilitate contractors' job on site as per the safety standards and procedure imposed from the government. And also we had a lot of problems with issuing the visas and travel arrangements for the vendors, because it was made at the time where we had to do pre-commissioning activities, which required vendor availability, as we explained before.
Shape the future of Kuwait's economy. It will be our small business owners, our entrepreneurs, innovators, and trendsetters. The future. It's a prosperous, sustainable economy with diverse industries, access to financing, and the right tools and technology to succeed. Built by a passion to start our own businesses, to see our own products, and to create the future as we want it to be. The future of Kuwait's economy starts with you.
The completion and operation of the fifth LNG line is KNPC's second largest strategic achievement, a few months after launch of its largest environmental fuel project. It is in line with the Kuwait 2035 vision. Kuwait's 2035 vision aims to transforming Kuwait into a financial and trade hub regionally and internationally, and becoming more attractive to investors, where the private sector leads the economy, creating competition and promoting production efficiency. Under the umbrella of the supporting institutional body, which highlights the national values, perceives social identity, and achieves social development, as well as providing an essential structure to cultivate a business-friendly environment.